In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat. So what you want to do is you want to open up Snapchat, then click on the top left to open up your profile, and then click on the top right on the gear selector icon. Then what you want to do is click on friends emojis, and then you can choose whatever emoji you want for a specific thing. So let's say for mutual BFs, I don't want this emoji with sunglasses. I can just click on it and change it to whatever emoji I want. So yeah, just basically come in here and change everything to your liking. If for some reason you don't like what you have done, you can just click reset to default, click OK, and now the defaults have been loaded up back again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.